Well, this is Tracy with SozASounds.com. I wanted to talk to you today about my favorite fork for pain. It's helped me out many, many times. And that would be the Nerve tuning fork. It is a 50 hertz weighted tuning fork. This is almost 13 inches long. It's a big one. But it works on two levels. One, it spikes nitric oxide. So that's a puffing cycle that your body goes through, and 3 minutes to come in, 3 minutes to go out, relaxes the tissues, takes away inflammation. But the second thing it does that no other weighted tuning fork is, it actually tells the nerves to come down to its healthy frequency range. When you are in pain, your nerve endings are screamingly high in frequency, right? So this tells it, come down to your normal range. It's like kind of like a chill pill for your nerve endings. So it's great for any nerve conditions, you know, like fibromyalgia and things like that. But it really is great on pain, sore muscles, bone issues, all sorts of things. It actually can be used to help build bone mass because if it's in that frequency range. So that's another addition to that. So it's an extremely powerful fork. Now, many times sound therapists will use the 128 hertz fork. Now, it's quite smaller. If you put them side by side, and get this going here, you'll see it's a lot smaller than the 50 hertz nerve fork. However, the nerve fork for me is way more potent because of all of those features. So what I'm going to do on the next video, I'm going to show you how to use it to take care of headaches. And I've gotten rid of migraines and all sorts of headaches with this fork that no other fork has been able to do. Now, I wholeheartedly believe in it, otherwise I wouldn't even be telling you about it. But it is a little miracle worker for me. And I've had worked on people that couldn't believe how quickly their migraine went. Not to say that it will work on everybody. It depends on what's going on with you physiologically. Also, is it dehydration headache? I mean, there's different reasons we have headaches. So for most conditions of headaches where it has to do with nerve endings and those kind of things, it works very well. So stay tuned for our next video where I'm going to show you how to work on somebody with that or yourself. And if you have any questions or comments, please let us know at sozasounds@gmail.com. And I just want to thank you for letting us come into your house today and speak to you about tuning forks, which is my favorite topic. All right, God bless you. Bye-bye.